Hi, my name is Sonia, and I'm a rising junior at Monte Vista High School. In the first half of my time at Blue Stamp, I worked on a mirror in front of a display powered by a Raspberry Pi. Here I have it set up. The real time is displayed in the top corner, as well as the temperature, appropriate icon, and a weather description. At the bottom, the current headlines are displayed, and they refresh every 10 minutes. While coding the weather aspect of this, I experienced many unexpected problems that helped me grow as an engineer. Due to the outdated API that was no longer available, I worked with other APIs and code that I never knew I'd be able to write. As soon as I got a simple part of it working, I'd be really motivated to continue and ended up creating this smart mirror. After I finished this space project, I began to work on an artificial intelligence enhancement for the mirror. Since some of the installations are a bit convoluted to download on the Pi, I use my computer instead to power the display. The back end of it is coded in Python, while the front end is coded in JavaScript. I worked on the natural language understanding and the knowledge aspect of the AI backend. I was able to utilize my previous weather code and replaced it with the outdated one, which I ended up having to do for all the other intents as well. In the end, I was able to create a prototype smart mirror that gives compliments, greetings, jokes, current news, and more. So here's a demo of it. The recording didn't take in the audio, whether like it was the computer saying it to me or me telling the computer. So I'll just narrate it. So right now I'm running the application called Electron where the magic mirror runs. And since that's just the front end of it, I'm running the back end as well. So once you run the back end, then it'll start working on Electron, the application. So for my smart mirror, I added a kind of passphrase, and mine was magic mirror, mirror on the wall. So over here, I'm saying that. And then as soon as you say that phrase, the mirror activates and begins listening to your request. So here I'm asking it, what's the current weather? You can say it in a variety of different ways and it'll still output the same information. So in this case, my mirror returns back the current temperature, wind speeds, and then the time taken. So now I'm asking it for a joke. And then I can continue to ask it more things like I asked it for current headlines. And then after this, I asked it for the meaning of life. So this isn't everything that it can answer. These are just a few examples. So coming into Blue Stamp, I had limited experience with both Raspberry Pis and Python. Through various struggles and errors, I learned more than I ever expected, and I gained the confidence to work on other, perhaps more challenging projects because of the skills I gained. I'm looking forward to enhancing my mirror and working on more Raspberry Pi and AI projects in the future. Thank you.
Wonderful. All right. Does anyone have any questions for Sonia and her cool smart mirror AI assistant?
I have a question.
Yeah.
How did you get it to tell you a joke? How did that work?
So there were obviously like a lot of different steps of it, but for the joke specifically, right now I just have like a set of jokes that are there that came with the package that I downloaded. But in the future, I hope to like maybe get it to choose a joke from a very long list of jokes so that it would be randomized every time.
That's really cool.
I have a question. I'm Ameya's mom.
Yeah.
So okay, I'm not an engineer, so pardon me if it's a silly question, but is this something similar to Ask Siri or Hey Alexa? It's just showing up on a mirror?
Yeah, that's like exactly that, basically.
Oh, perfect. That sounds cool. But is it going to show up on your laptop or any screen when you say it's a mirror?
So right now I haven't gotten the actual mirror for mine yet. Like I haven't received the part yet. So right now it's running on my laptop, but just like the Raspberry Pi smart mirror, once I get the mirror and connect it to my laptop, it'll display behind the mirror as well. So it'll be like a smart mirror.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.